I need him to see.
They're sunglasses. They're not glasses.
I know. I need him to see though.
You can't see the sun.
You guys didn't know I'm already wearing glasses. That's funny. I don't take them off. You guys will know that I wear. Oh. You guys know I wear glasses, right?
Yeah.
I already knew that.
Yeah, I'm wearing shades, but I meant like.
I know, yeah.
How did you know?
And I could see the lens on the side.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Oh man, they told me they wouldn't be able to see my glasses.
Hey, and I
That's what they told me at the store. Oh, did you hear that horn?
It sounds like your horn.
Oh, that guy has a cool horn. I need to get a horn like that.
Hey, and then you need a little bit of water. Hey, I can see your glasses.
They sell the horns at Target.
Oh man, you can? How do you see them? You have
Yeah.
good sight, man. That's why I have to wear glasses.
Yeah.
I don't have good sight.
Water. Ow. Ow.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Is that fine?
And Mark just on his nose. I hate it when you do that to me, dude.
Yeah, aren't you? Huh? Oh my God.
Squeaky now, my head. That's gonna be silly. Oh, that's so silly.
Okay. Okay, buy us some water.
Can you do it? There's a heart in there.
There?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Look at my heart.
There's a heart underwear.
There's still a little bit left. Drink it.
Here, Melly.
I'm there. There. Can I get that heart?
Sure.
You want me to pop it? Okay. Just leave it flat and I can just blow it up.
Oh. That happened. Okay, you said you wanted a green balloon. What?
A heart.
A heart?
Oh, you got one last one.
Whoa, sorry about that. Let me see that here. I'll grab that.
I'm going to go straight out here with
Sorry.
straight past.
Oh, somebody's sunglasses.
Oh, those are.
Melly.
I know. And Melly, you know, I could help you in this gig. I get half the profit.
Oh, hustler!
Melly.
Hustler over here.
Should I see to try hooking out my money?
All right. You guys want to play the money game? Let's say this next balloon one is worth money, okay?
Can I have it?
Check this out.
Take it.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you want to do?
Can I have it?
Can you make me one if it comes out heckin' good that I like
See what
it?
I can do. Oh, no, it's not going to turn out good because I don't have a marker. Anybody know where I can get a Sharpie?
Yeah. I want.
For real?
Bianca,
This is Miley's.
I'm
sorry.
What do you make that? Make some can you make an arrow?
Sure.
Like an arrow. Bow and arrow.
Oh, that can't be too hard. Just make a D.
Make a D.
Yeah, just make a D.
No, but with the
It's
arrow.
definitely more difficult than it seems.
That's called a bow, and then you need the arrow. The bow and arrow.
I've been waiting for a while, huh?
I want a blue dolphin.
Blue dolphin?
Can I make a dolphin?
Dolphins? No, I never did dolphins. Me and dolphins don't get along really.
You want to know how to make purple?
So what, you want like a...
Blue dolphin. Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't know how to make dolphin.
This arrow's for you, okay, Nani?
What, you do, hunt her down?
Huh?
Are you gonna hunt her down?
No.
That's what it seems like.
Maybe I will keep that hand hurt. I can you can see because my hand hurts because it popped.
Whoa. Look at that.
Can I just
I don't know.
have
I don't know.
What is that?
Can I
I
keep
guess
it?
that's an arrow. Let me try to make the bow for you.
Yes. Here's your arrow. Keep it.
Here's the bow.
Get up there,
Now you can put music in the background for this
Can
one.
I have an arrow? Can I have a balloon not blowed up?
Yeah, hang on.
are standing up.
Honey, you still want that teddy bear? Yeah. Okay. It's a big. Well, we can. What's that?
Your bow.
Oh, cool.
It didn't work out as well as I hoped.
Yeah, your balloon. The balloon is gone out.
Oh, it's okay. Lots of balloons fall out.
Can I keep one?
Sure.
I might get one of
Maybe I must go first, okay? Let me get
It's for
see what I can
yeah? It's for you.
Pop.
Pop.
Hi.
Try to shoot the
I
arrow.
remember. Where'd the arrow go?
Come on, let's go, Nani.
You needed a sword? Oh, you wanted a dog. You wanted a green dog?
No, big fat dog.
I can only do, you want like a dog with a tall head, like a giraffe? How about if I make you a giraffe?
I have a dog. Give me one. I have a
Huh?
dog.
Yeah. Give me a second. Ooh. Huh.
You know, it's falling off.
Okay, dog?
I said flag.
A flag?
I said flag.
A flat balloon like that?
Yeah.
That was an easy one.
High five, dude. You're a good customer.
And now you try it.
Okay.
So let's steal your bike. They're stealing your bike. Go get it.
Oh,
They're both riding.
Rob.
Oh no, they parked it. Did you park it?
This is a graveyard for all the kids. Huh.
Huh?
This is a graveyard for all you guys to run.
I thought she said a graveyard. Whoa. Scary. Oh, man.
Do you want beans and rice and chicken?
Yes, please.
We have fried chicken. Do you know how to make a monkey? I asked him. Oh, actually, Joe might have one. Name would be Joe might have what?
Yeah. Okay. I'll edit this.
Bella!
Bianca, you didn't get water.
Oh, yeah, I know. I forgot. I'll get it. Wait, I gotta get Nani a teddy bear. Yeah, let's do it.
But that was awesome.
What are you doing?